We have an opportunity now that probably won't happen again, where we have a federal government and a provincial government that wants to build a new relationship with our Anishinaabe people. And instead of having the Minister of Indian Affairs being in control and dictating what happens with the education of our kids, we have developed and negotiated an enhanced education system with better financing. We're in discussions on the capital and infrastructure component of it. And I just returned from a meeting with the Minister of Indian Affairs, and she's very enthusiastic about our Anishinaabe education system. So we have a vote coming up in November. I really encourage you folks to talk about this with your neighbors, talk about this with your friends, your family, talk about it with your chief and council, most importantly, and let's get the people out there to vote and ratify, say yes to AES.